How to hide names on Snapchat notifications. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hide names on Snapchat notifications. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you open up your settings, simply scroll down till you find the notification settings. Tap on it and open it up. Now right here, you will need to find your Snapchat. So simply search for your Snapchat, and after you find your Snapchat, make sure that you have turned on notification for Snapchat. After you do that, you can scroll down a bit and there you should see an option called lock screen appearance. Now head over to show previews, and after you tap on show previews, make sure that it's on never. Now previews will actually show the name of the Snapchat. So yeah, now after you've turned on show previews to never, now you will not be getting any more names on Snapchat notifications, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.